Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're tackling a massive headache for photographers, bulk metadata editing.
Seriously, how many hours are you wasting agonizing over manual metadata entry for your whole image catalog? Well, you're not alone. A staggering 67% of pros lose precious time to errors from clunky tools. To fix this, let's quickly break down the three core metadata standards: EXIF, IPTC, and XMP. EXIF handles camera settings, but IPTC is the real MVP. It's what search engines actually read for discoverability. Reliability is totally non-negotiable here. Writing metadata should never compress your pixels or just randomly crash mid-batch. Check this out. See how modern, browser-based tools easily outperform traditional clunky desktop software for bulk processing? Unlike those super complex command line tools, Exif Injector securely processes all three formats right in your browser. So let's see how this tool turns a totally frustrating chore into a seamless 5-minute workflow. First up, just drag and drop your batch. You can quickly review existing data so nothing gets overwritten. Next, instantly apply your global copyright across every file. Then you can tweak keywords for individual images. Finally, hit apply. It safely processes the whole batch non-destructively, literally saving you hours of tedious work. The real payoff? For e-commerce sellers on platforms like Etsy and Shopify, consistent metadata directly equals sales. Embedding brand keywords directly into your Amazon product images massively boosts search rankings and protects our IP. Stock photographers, take note. Adobe Stock and Shutterstock will outright reject your submissions if they lack crucial IPTC keywords. In fact, correctly tagged bulk uploads naturally lead to way faster approvals and significantly more views on Getty Images. And don't forget the biggest player. Google Images relies heavily on embedded IPTC data to rank your visual content. So I'll leave you with this. Without bulk editing, what hidden opportunities are your untagged images silently losing today?
Your images carry more than pixels. They carry your brand, your location, your copyright. With Exif Injector, you inject the right metadata into every photo. Exif, IPTC, XMP. In bulk, in seconds. Whether you sell on Etsy, Shopify, or stock platforms, your images finally speak to search engines. Give life to your images. Visit exifinjector.com. Start free today.